to my channel. I hope you all doing very well after this holiday season. Today I want to show you how I take care of my skin in this cold weather, because it is winter and outside it is colder. We have 0 degrees Celsius or below, and our skin, it is more drier than in the summer, in the warm weather. So I want to show you today how I take care of my dry skin. First of all, I want to use once a week this scrub from Super Facialist. It is a Purify and Refresh facial scrub. Has vitamin B3 and salicylic acid for anti-blemish, to purify and a deep pore cleansing experience. First of all, I want to wash my face and to show you how I use it. I use a tiny bit of this, like so, rubbing into my hands and apply to my skin. After I put this scrub, I try to focus to massage a little bit and to help the skin to detox and to dissolve all the impurities and black pore. After I was putting the scrub on my face and wash it off, I want to wash my face with this purifying gel. It is for mixed or oily sensitive skin. It is a Dermo cosmetic brand by Ivater. And I like to apply to my skin, just to wash it over the impurities. It has a little bit of foam, and it is a Dermo Cosmetic one. That is the reason that it didn't make a lot of foam. After my skin it is soft, it already seems that my impurities are gone, and my skin, it is very fine and smooth. I have in this part of dry skin and also some breakout, because in some part of the month my skin tend to break up a little bit. So going on, I will use this pore cleanser toner by Pharmacy Deep Sweep with 2% BHA. I use it in this cold weather just once a week, because I don't want my skin to be even more drier, but I want also to be clean. It is an alcohol-free, this product. It gently exfoliates and cleans the pores and control oils without overstripping the skin. This is what I want for this cold season. After I apply this toner, I let my skin dry a little bit because of this toner. I want to absorb very well in the skin. After that, I am using this collagen by Advanced Clinical. It is an instant plumping serum for a fresh radiance. It has soy extract that gives a lift to the face and also work very well against aging. I put only a few drops, pressing and just putting on my face, pressing a little bit to make sure that all the product penetrate the skin. I don't forget also of my neck area. After I use this, I let several minutes, and then if I have some dryness in this part, I'm using this Dermocosmetical cream by Bepanthen. It is the Sensiderm cream to calm down the redness. Just apply a little bit on the area that it is drier and have redness. I didn't apply this product every day, only if I see some dry skin over my nose. After, I use my favorite cream for this season. It is by Rila Steel. It is an Italian brand. It is an anti-wrinkle cream with hyaluronic acid and 3 molecular weights, Miolift and Lupeol, if I say it right. I apply a little bit of my face. And gentle massage into the skin. This is the last step that I take for my skin routine in this cold weather. And after I apply the cream, I like to do some face massage, just to lift the face and help to stimulate the collagen in the skin. After after I done my skincare, I want to apply some lip balm. Just to give my lips some moisturize. I love very much this lip balm by Caudalie. It is a lip conditioner, nourish, antioxidant, and it is made in France with without parabens and sodium laureth sulfate. Ingredients are the origin animal and without phthalates and other oils mineral. I like it very much. I discovered this lip balm in this winter season. I highly recommend to use a lip balm, especially in the cold weather. Also, I am using this before I apply my my lipstick. I will show you my lipstick from Milani. It is a very nude, soft color. And I was noticed that when I apply this lip balm before I apply the lipstick, my lips are brightener, and my lipstick tend to be more brightened on my lips. Because tomorrow is my hair wash day, in the night before I just want to apply some oil. I'm using right now this Indola professional oil, and has a very lightweight formula. I'm just using 2 pumps and just on my ends, just to give a nice moisturize to the hair also. And because tomorrow I don't leave the house, I don't mind if my hair tends to be more greasy on the ends. I leave this to moisturize better. I apply all over my mid ends, just to soak all the oil on the hair. And tomorrow I'll wash my hair like usually, using my shampoo and my conditioner, like I was showing in my last video. If you are interested in what shampoo I discovered to resolve my dandruff, I highly recommend to watch my last video. I will link down below, because I was suffering so many years of dandruff, dry scalp, especially in the winter season. And after I try so many shampoos, professional, dermocosmetical, market one, I find the one that works very well on my dandruff. After I apply the oil, I don't mind if I take the oil from the mid end to the root, because having a dry scalp, it is also very good to moisturize also the scalp. And because tomorrow is my wash day, I don't mind if it look greasier. I'm using right now the Tangle Teezer brush. I have a video of my favorite hair brushes after I was using the wooden one, the bamboo, the wet brush. And in the last month I was discovered that I love very much this brush, the Tangle Teezer brush. So I brush my hair and just put in a bun, and I'm going to sleep with this bun. I'm using a silk silk accessories for my bra, for my bun, and I was noticed that my hair didn't fall so much after I switched to this type of hair ties, and after I was starting to take collagen powder. It is I guess the 3 months since I started to take collagen, and I think that is the reason that my hair didn't fall so much. It is normally to have some hair that fall off, but in the normal range. If you see my hair, it is gray. I have just a month since I get color my hair, and I want to have a little more time between my color appointment to improve my scalp condition. And because I have a coloring mask which is tend to pigmentize the hair more gray, I can move more between my hair appointments to color my hair. So in the evening I want a tea, and in the last time I am on this emotional clarity with sweet hibiscus and mint. It turns in this red color. It has a sweet but not too much sweetness on the taste, and I like to take a tea after my dinner or in the afternoon, because I want to reduce my coffee. I was drinking a lot of coffee, and this tea is also very good. So I will enjoy my tea. I like this tea also because they have a little message on this piece of paper. It says that the heart must have hands, the hands a heart. So I like very much this kind of message when I am drinking my tea. So this is my skincare routine in this cold weather. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post 2 times per week, especially Wednesday or on Saturday. Also, you can find me on Instagram. I will link my page in the description box below. Hopefully you will have a nice evening, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!